Hello friends, in this session we will discuss the MCQs of the linear programming. Okay, so first MCQ for you. See, the geometrical method. The geometrical method can be used effectively when the number of variable is. So when the number of variable is in case of a geometrical method, first option minimum 2, maximum 2, maximum 5, and last option no restriction on minimum or the maximum. So friends, remember, in case of a geometrical method, the restrictions on the minimum or maximum is there is no any restrictions. Okay, so last option is the correct option. Okay, now see second question. The decision variable in the linear programming that should not assume negative value are called dash dash, because they represent impossible solution. So friends, the decision variable in LP, that is in linear programming, should not assume negative value, that are called first negative restriction, positive restriction, non-negative restriction, non-negative and positive restrictions. So friends, the decision variable that should not assume negative value, that should not be assumed a negative value, is called as the non-negative restrictions, because they represent the impossible solution. So answer here will be non-negative restrictions. Okay, now question number 3. When simplex method is used for problems such as minimization of cost or time, such a problem is called. Okay, so in case of a simplex method, it is used for minimization for minimization of the cost or time. Such a problem is called as, when a simplex method is used for minimization of cost or time, such a method is called as. So option simplex problem, minimization problem, maximization problem, A or C. So correct option here will be minimization problem. Okay, see in the question itself it is the answer there. Problems such as minimization of, here we are minimizing cost or time, so we call it that problem is the minimization problem. Simple. Next question number 4. The simplex method is used in which of the following? When we use the simplex method, first in case of simulation, in case of estimation, in case of linear programming, and the regression. So correct option is the, in LP we use the simplex method. Okay, so friends, here you will find this question is easy, but in the examination you may get confused, because all the options are from the same module, right? So remember, simplex is the part of the linear programming. Next question number 5. The problem that is related to the original linear programming problem is called as. The problem which is related with the original linear programming is called as original problem, primary problem, dual problem, or primal problem. So friends, the problem which is related with the original linear programming is called as the dual problem. It's called as the dual problem will be your answer. Next question number 6. Linear expressions in linear programming is known as. So friends, the linear expression in a linear programming is called as what? Linear function, algebraic function, objective function, and the last option is the main function. So friends, remember, here in case of a linear expression, in case of a linear programming, the linear expression is called as the objective function. It is the objective function. Question number 7. The non-zero variables in a basic feasible solution are called. The non-zero variable in the basic feasible solution is called, first surplus variable, slack variable, artificial variable, or the basic variable. So friends, the non-zero variable in case of a basic feasible solution are called as the surplus variable. These are the surplus variables. Question number 8. When a simplex method is used for problems such as maximization of a production, for it may be a profit or a contribution, such a problem is called as. So simplex, minimization, maximization, A or C. So friends, here it is called as the maximization. It is called as the maximization problem. Here when you are maximizing, it will be a maximization problem. When you are minimizing, it will be a minimization problem. Okay, simple. Now question number 9. Linear programming is a dash dash technique. Whether it is a economics, whether it is a mathematical, whether it is a algebraic, or any of the above. So friends, remember, linear programming LP, it is a mathematical technique. It is a mathematical technique. Question number 10. For linear programming problems, which of the following is essential condition? Okay, first, all equations should be linear. Second, all constraints are known. It is also there. All variables should have a non-negative value. So this is also correct. So 1 to 3 all conditions are required. So here correct option will be 1 to 3 all. Question number 11. Linear inequality in linear programming are known as. So linear inequality in linear programming are known as linear constraints, linear functions, linear relationship, none of the above. So for 11th, see, the linear inequality in a linear programming is known as linear constraints. These are the linear constraints. Question number 12. Which of the following are the most effective methods under the LLP? First, graphical, geometrical, simplex, all of the above. So friends, most effective, remember, most effective is the simplex method. Simplex is the most effective methods. Okay, now question number 13. The positive variables that are added to the left side to the constraints to convert them to equality is called as. So the positive variables that are basically added to the left hand side of the constraint to convert them into equality is called as. First, surplus variable. Second, slack variable, artificial variable, or the basic variable. So basically it is the slack variable. Okay, slack variable is the answer. So basically we have discussed in the previous theory lecture what is slack variable and how that we are adding them. Question number 14. Simplex method is basically and essentially dash dash procedure that evaluates corner points in search of optimal solution. So friends, remember here, simplex method is basically and essentially it is a iterative procedure. It is a iterative procedure. Simplex method of a linear programming, basically a iterative procedure. Okay. Question number 15. Positive variables that are subtracted to the left hand side to the constraint to convert them to equalities are called as. First, surplus variable, slack variable, artificial variable, basic variable. So here we are subtracting to the left hand side. Okay, so these that variables is called as the surplus variable. These are the surplus variables. Okay, similar question we have discussed here. The here, see here, the positive which are added to the left hand side, these are the slack variable. If they are asking the subtracted, then it will be a surplus variable. Remember the difference. If these variables are added, there will be a slack variable. Okay, and here is the 15th question. If the variables are subtracted, then we call it as a surplus variable. We subtract because these are having surplus. In this fashion you can remember. And when we add, we are having slack. That's why we are adding. Okay, add slack, subtract the surplus. In this fashion you can remember. So friends, here basically these are the possible questions that can be asked in your examination. Okay, so we have see the problems that can be asked in your examination I have already provided. Okay, in the theory part, in the previous video I have covered the numericals. Okay, so we will not cover and repeat the same numerical here. Here where I have only the MCQs for you. Okay, you just prepare that much of MCQ, it will be fine and a complete preparation for your examination. Okay, so prepare the MCQ plus previous theory lecture. In that theory lecture I have covered the problems also. Okay, so here and do one thing, you can subscribe our YouTube channel Bankers Zone and also join the Telegram group for a discussion purpose. The name of the group is CAIIB Bankers Zone. For that you can search on the Telegram @CAIIBBZ and also download the application from the Play Store Bankers Zone CAIIB. So friends, we will continue our discussion. Remember friends, in the next video we will be discussing the simulation, but simulation is a very short type, and maximum times they will be not asking any question from the simulation. Okay, so in the next video I will also cover simulation part. In the brief we will discuss what is the simulation, basic idea of simulation, and some possible MCQs on the simulation also. So friends, all the best.